Are you ready to transform your portfolio with some of the most explosive tech stocks on the market? These are companies that are at the forefront of innovation and industry leadership. We're talking about a leader in artificial intelligence, a pioneer in semiconductor solutions, and a giant in global chip manufacturing. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. I'm about to reveal 3 cheap tech stocks that are primed to skyrocket your returns. But before we dive in, hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Let's talk about Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. This company has become synonymous with cutting-edge technology and innovation. From humble beginnings as a graphics card manufacturer, Nvidia has transformed into a global leader in artificial intelligence and high-performance computing. But what makes Nvidia so special? Why is it the talk of the tech world and a darling of Wall Street? Let's dive in. Now, if you're even remotely interested in tech, you've heard of Nvidia. Their GPUs are everywhere, powering everything from gaming rigs to supercomputers. But their influence goes far beyond just hardware. Nvidia has built an ecosystem of software, tools, and platforms that make it indispensable in the tech industry. They're the undisputed king of graphics processing units, or GPUs. These aren't just any GPUs, they're the gold standard. Nvidia's GPUs are known for their unparalleled performance, efficiency, and versatility. Whether you're a gamer chasing the ultimate experience or a researcher running complex simulations, Nvidia has you covered. Gamers love them, designers swear by them, and now, data centers can't get enough of them. Nvidia's GPUs are the backbone of modern computing, enabling everything from stunning visual effects in video games to intricate 3D modeling in design studios, and in data centers they're accelerating workloads that were once thought impossible. Why? Because Nvidia is at the forefront of the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's transforming industries. Nvidia's technology is the engine driving this transformation, making AI faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. Their GPUs are the powerhouse behind artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. These technologies are reshaping the world as we know it, from automating mundane tasks to solving some of humanity's biggest challenges. Nvidia's hardware and software solutions are at the heart of this revolution. We're talking about self-driving cars, facial recognition, medical breakthroughs. You name it, Nvidia's probably powering it. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, diseases are diagnosed in seconds, and personalized recommendations are tailored to your every need. Nvidia is making that world a reality, and the best part, they're just getting started. Under the visionary leadership of CEO Jensen Huang, Nvidia continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Their commitment to innovation is unmatched, and their roadmap for the future is nothing short of inspiring. The demand for AI is exploding, and Nvidia is perfectly positioned to ride that wave to even greater heights. As industries across the globe adopt AI at an unprecedented pace, Nvidia's technology is becoming a critical enabler of this growth. Their GPUs are not just tools, they're catalysts for change. We're talking about a company with a rock-solid track record of innovation, a massive market share, and a visionary CEO in Jensen Huang. Nvidia's ability to anticipate trends and adapt to changing market dynamics has made it a leader in the tech space. Now let's talk numbers. Nvidia's revenue and earnings have been growing at an astonishing rate. Their financial performance is a testament to their dominance in the industry. Quarter after quarter they continue to exceed expectations, delivering value to both customers and shareholders. Their latest quarterly results blew past Wall Street's expectations, and analysts are scrambling to revise their price targets upwards. This kind of momentum is rare, and it speaks volumes about Nvidia's potential for sustained growth. Look, I'm not saying Nvidia is a secret. Everyone knows Nvidia. But what sets them apart is their ability to stay ahead of the curve. They're not just keeping up with trends, they're setting them. But that doesn't mean you should ignore it. In fact, Nvidia's prominence makes it a safer bet in the volatile tech sector. Their leadership in AI and GPUs gives them a competitive edge that's hard to match. In fact, it's the opposite. Nvidia is a company that demands attention, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an investor, or someone curious about the future of AI. Their story is one of relentless innovation and growth. Nvidia is a stock you want to own for the long haul. It's not just about short-term gains, it's about being part of a company that's shaping the future. Their vision and execution make them a cornerstone of any tech-focused investment strategy. It's a core holding in any tech-focused portfolio. Whether you're building a diversified portfolio or doubling down on tech, Nvidia is a name that belongs on your list. Their potential for growth is immense, and their impact on the world is undeniable. So, do yourself a favor and add Nvidia to your watch list today. You won't regret it. Nvidia isn't just a company. It's a movement, a force driving the future of technology. The AI powerhouse is here to stay, and it's only going to get bigger. Now, let's move on to another tech titan that's often overlooked but shouldn't be, Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. While it may not have the same household name recognition as some of its peers, Broadcom is a force to be reckoned with in the tech world. Its influence spans across industries and its products are integral to the technology we use every day. Broadcom is a global leader in semiconductor solutions. Their chips are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, enabling the seamless operation of countless devices and systems. From the smallest gadgets to the largest data centers, Broadcom's technology is everywhere, quietly powering the digital revolution. They design, develop, and supply a wide range of chips that power our digital lives. These aren't just any chips, they're cutting-edge, high-performance solutions that are critical to the functionality of modern electronics. Broadcom's expertise in chip design is unmatched, and their innovations continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in technology. We're talking about smartphones, laptops, data centers, networking equipment, you name it, Broadcom's chips are probably in it. Their products are the backbone of the digital infrastructure that keeps our world connected and running smoothly. Without Broadcom, many of the devices and systems we rely on daily simply wouldn't function as efficiently. But here's the thing, Broadcom is not just a chip maker. While their semiconductor business is impressive, it's only one part of the story. Broadcom has strategically diversified its operations, making it a multifaceted powerhouse in the tech industry. They're a strategic powerhouse with a laser focus on profitability and shareholder value. Broadcom's management team is known for its disciplined approach to business, prioritizing long-term growth and sustainable returns. This focus has allowed them to navigate the volatile tech landscape with remarkable success. They've got a strong track record of acquiring and integrating companies, expanding their market share, and returning cash to investors through dividends and buybacks. Broadcom's acquisition strategy is particularly noteworthy. They don't just buy companies, they integrate them seamlessly, extracting maximum value and creating synergies that drive growth. And speaking of dividends, Broadcom is a dividend investor's dream. Their commitment to returning value to shareholders is evident in their consistent and generous dividend payouts. For income-focused investors, Broadcom offers a rare combination of growth and income potential. They've consistently increased their dividend payout for over a decade, and their current yield is well above the market average. This kind of reliability is hard to find in the tech sector, making Broadcom a standout choice for investors seeking stability and growth. Now, let's talk valuation. Despite its strong fundamentals and growth prospects, Broadcom's stock is trading at a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio compared to its peers. This presents a unique opportunity for investors. The market seems to be underestimating Broadcom's potential, which could mean significant upside for those who recognize its value. This suggests that the market is undervaluing Broadcom's earnings power and future potential. For savvy investors, this is a signal to take a closer look. Broadcom's combination of growth, profitability, and undervaluation is a rare find in today's market. In other words, Broadcom is a value investor's paradise. It's not often that you find a company with such strong fundamentals trading at a discount. For those who believe in the long-term potential of the semiconductor industry, Broadcom is a compelling choice. It's a high-quality company with a wide moat, a strong track record, and a compelling valuation. Broadcom's competitive advantages and strategic positioning make it a standout player in the tech industry. Their ability to innovate and adapt ensures that they remain at the forefront of technological advancements. So, if you're looking for a safe and profitable way to invest in the semiconductor industry, Broadcom is a stock you can't ignore. With its strong fundamentals, attractive valuation, and commitment to shareholder value, Broadcom is a rare gem in the tech world. Don't overlook this undervalued giant. It might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The unsung hero that powers our modern world. The 800-pound gorilla of the semiconductor industry. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSMC for short. This company is not just a player in the tech world, it's the backbone of it. TSMC is the world's largest dedicated semiconductor foundry. But what exactly does that mean and why is it so important? Well, it means they manufacture chips for other companies. These chips are the brains behind almost every electronic device you can think of. TSMC works with some of the biggest names in tech, including Apple, Qualcomm, and Nvidia. These companies design their chips, but it's TSMC that brings them to life. In fact, TSMC is so dominant in the foundry market that they control over 50% of global market share. Let that sink in for a moment. Half of the world's chips come from one company. This dominance isn't just about numbers, it's about influence. TSMC's role in the tech ecosystem is unparalleled. Their market share is a testament to their technological prowess and their ability to meet the ever-growing demands of the tech industry. They're the linchpin of the global tech supply chain, Without TSMC, our smartphones, computers, cars, and countless other devices simply wouldn't exist. Imagine a world without these essentials. It's almost unthinkable. From the devices in our pockets to the cars we drive and even the medical equipment that saves lives, TSMC's chips are everywhere. Now let's talk about growth. The semiconductor industry isn't just big, it's booming. The demand for semiconductors is only going up. As technology advances, the need for more powerful and efficient chips grows exponentially. Every industry is becoming more reliant on chips, from healthcare to automotive to aerospace. These industries are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and TSMC is right there with them. Think about self-driving cars, advanced medical imaging devices, or even satellite technology. All of these rely on semiconductors, and TSMC is at the forefront of making them a reality. To keep up with this insatiable demand, TSMC is investing billions of dollars in new fabs and cutting-edge technologies. These investments aren't just about staying competitive, they're about shaping the future. But here's the best part. TSMC isn't just a growth story, it's also a value story. Despite its dominant market position and growth prospects, TSMC's stock is trading at a reasonable valuation. This makes it an attractive option for investors looking to capitalize on the tech boom. Of course, there are risks. Geopolitical tensions surrounding Taiwan have raised concerns, but let's put this into perspective. TSMC is a strategic asset for the global economy. Any disruption to their operations would have far-reaching consequences, not just for tech but for the world as a whole. This is why I believe the risks are overblown. The world depends on TSMC, and that dependency isn't going away anytime soon. So if you're looking for a way to invest in the future of technology, TSMC is a stock you can't ignore. It's not just an investment in a company, it's an investment in the future. The future of technology is being built today, and TSMC is leading the charge. From smartphones to satellites, their impact is everywhere. So, the next time you use your phone, drive your car, or even watch a satellite launch, remember, TSMC made it possible. TSMC isn't just a company, it's the linchpin of the tech world. And that's a story worth paying attention to. There you have it, folks. 3 cheap tech stocks that are poised to outperform the market in the years to come. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. If you're serious about finding winning stocks in seconds to skyrocket your portfolio, use Forecaster, the ultimate tool for uncovering high-value investments. Try it for free today. Just click the link in the description with my code Galore10 for an exclusive 10% discount. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.